OpenRewrite is an open source Maven plugin that allows for you to mass refactor your source code and also create CycloneDX SBOM. The requirements are that you only use OpenJDK 11, as newer versions will not work. So here we're going to install OpenJDK 11. Now that we have that installed, I'm going to demonstrate the capabilities of OpenRewrite on this sample project. To use OpenRewrite, all you have to do is add it to the plugins section of your pom.xml. Then in your terminal, you can run Maven rewrite discover, and this will show all the recipes built into OpenRewrite. Here it says it's found 276 available recipes and 5 available styles. They are all listed here. What I'm going to use is the AutoFormat Recipe, which will automatically reformat your source code to fit IntelliJ's default Java style. To do that, you will have to modify your pom.xml to include the recipe. Once you've done so, you can go to the terminal and you could run Maven rewrite :run. That will run any recipes that you've defined in your pom.xml. Here it will show all the files that have been made, changes have been made to it. That's a quick and simple guide to the refactoring part. Next, I will create a CycloneDX SBOM. All you have to do is type Maven rewrite :CycloneDX into your terminal. And it has created a file called target, and your CycloneDX SBOM is located in here. Overall, OpenRewrite was pretty easy to set up and it was easy to use. It allows for a good degree of customization through custom recipes. It also allows for a quick way of creating CycloneDX SBOMs from your Java projects.
Thank you for checking out this video. If you really liked it, be sure to check out our other videos right here, and then you can also subscribe right up top here. And again, thank you. Bye-bye.